Welcome to Hollow Point Trading's full transparency video. We're offering a look inside our E8 signature performance account, verified tick for tick on a live stream. This is the account summary, not a screenshot of luck. Every number is certified by the prop firm itself. You will see the wins, the win rate, the average loss, and the drawdown limits. Here are the numbers with no asterisks. The account profit is plus 22.23% with a 71% win ratio. The risk to reward ratio is 1.79, resulting in a total performance of $11,116. Our equity curve shows a steady grind, not a gamble. The small dip mid-curve was quickly recovered, demonstrating adherence to rules without panic. This is the power of a solid framework. Risk is managed to the dollar. The average win is $72.09, while the average loss is minus $98.61. We have zero rule breaches, with both the EOD drawdown and daily pause limits passing. This is a view of the actual funded dashboard, showing the account number and the plus 22.23% profit. All metrics confirm the 71% win ratio and 1.79 risk-reward ratio, with 0% drawdown used. The minimum payout buffer is passing, having cleared 5.5 times the $2,000 objective. The current performance is $11,115.90, making the account eligible for payouts. Our certificate of performance confirms passing the SIM FI challenge. This validates the skill and discipline required for participation and payouts based on licensed performance data. The tools are running live, showing the MNQHPT indicator suite in action. The current account balance is over $60,000, demonstrating real-time performance on the 1-minute micro NASDAQ. In the same moment, the account view confirms the balance and total profit and loss. The Tradivate chart shows a positive P-leader of over $7,500, with nothing cropped from the account summary. In our live Discord room, trade entries are called in real time with no hindsight or edits. We see JPM and UNH trades trimmed for a profit of $150 and a 2.3% gain. Another live open position shows a member banking a 21.9% gain, netting $575. This demonstrates members consistently benefiting from our real-time callouts in the live room. The UNH 405C callout was posted live on YouTube. The chart clearly marks the exact entry and stop loss at 289. Providing full transparency on the trade structure. This multi-chart view shows the full read on names like UNH and JPM through the HPT indicator suite. The total profit stands at over 61.1%, or more than $12,496. Finally, here is the live options book, confirming a portfolio balance of over $104,000. An open SPY option is running alongside the futures positions for an additional $4,498.60 in profit. Looking at the same book later, the portfolio has grown to over $106,000, with a daily profit of more than $6,400. This includes an impressive plus 76.3% on the UNH 65405 C option. The JPM setup, step by step. The chart outlines the textbook structure, liquidity sweep, reversal confirmation, and entry on structure, leading to the breakout using the 1, 2, 3, hollow point, and cup and handle patterns. The callout was posted live to the room in real time. We initially flagged the setup, and then followed up with the entry details. JPM 65300C with a stop loss at 288. The following week, the same setup appeared, leading to an additional callout. We entered the JPM 310C with a stop loss at 295, again posting the call live as it happened. The total result from the JPM calls generated over $1,100 in open profit, with the 300C up 72.9% and the 310C up 33.72%. Illustrating the full trade cycle from callout to cash. The UNH callout was also flagged days ahead in mentorship before being called to the room. It was identified as an on-watch name and later called to members. Following the UNH call, members quickly confirmed the trade working in real time, with one member, Roshan, reporting a plus 40% gain on the calls. Moving to member wins, this book highlights trades in SPX and SPXW index plays. This member banked over $2,100. Achieving a plus 350% return on the SPXW $7,595 put. It shows full transparency, including losers. Another member's book shows a significant gain on NDX and NDXP index plays. The NDXP put netted over $9,200, a plus 295% return, alongside a solid plus 65% open profit on SMCI calls. Focusing on a single position from a member's book, the SPXW $7,565 call shows an open profit of $1,650, which is a plus 40% gain, demonstrating the framework's versatility. Member Johnny Bowie reported a substantial win in MNQ futures, tagging the room and confirming a profit of plus $5,570, showcasing community success in futures trading. Richard Liu shared his success on the JPM 65305 C call, netting a plus 259% gain, or $730, after holding the position for only 23 hours, praising the community's guidance. Slater successfully passed the MFF Rapid 50K evaluation, expressing gratitude to the community. This highlights the framework's effectiveness for prop firm challenges and securing funding. Member Bianchi achieved a plus 191% gain, or $371, on the XSP 760 put. This success, paired with a simulated funded account, demonstrates proficiency in options trading. Finally, Fast Cobra proudly announced achieving a plus 202% day, netting over $1,400 in profit. This showcases the immediate and significant results possible within the trading framework. Fast Cobra hit a major win on AVGO 420C, achieving a plus 212% daily gain and plus 191% overall. This community-reported result highlights a clear victory. Richard Liu banked $775 on an AVGO call fill, confirming the trade was filled at 2.90 and closed at 7.75. Another strong result from the community. Member Dollar Wheats showed their day's P&L, totaling a massive plus $4.75 thousand. This illustrates a single day's success, driven by the consistent application of the trading framework. Bianchi closed a JPM 305C6 fifths position for plus $742, realizing a plus 288% gain. The member noted they still had a runner, demonstrating trade management. Two members, DD 17927 and Killer Krill, shared their JPM and UNH gains, totaling over $3,100 combined. This shows the success is shared across the community. Joelhan001 had a multi-win day, including a UNH 415C trade that netted plus $310. The image shows HIMS and UNH closes stacked across the session. Luis Anguiano banked plus $432 on the JPM 305C6 fifths trade, closing 3 contracts at $2.70. Another great example of the framework yielding tangible profits. This Robinhood account demonstrates the framework's adaptability across different brokers, showing a profit of plus $5,139 and a plus 447% gain over 3 months. The same Robinhood account, focusing on a 1-month time frame, shows a total profit of plus $5,253, reflecting an impressive plus 507% gain in just 30 days. These results aren't luck, they are driven by structure. Our framework relies on macro, fundamental, and technical analysis for repeatable, high-probability entries. Learn the structure and earn a skill set for life. We offer educational resources across our website, Discord, YouTube, X, Instagram, TikTok, Substack, Patreon, and WAP. Join Hollow Point Trading today.